In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find YouTube real estate channels in Iowa and organize the key details into a spreadsheet. We're going to keep this process simple, efficient, and easy to repeat. The goal is to search for local real estate related channels on YouTube, filter the results so you only see channels, and then capture the most useful information in a spreadsheet for later review. This is especially helpful if you're building a list of agents, researching competitors, or looking for channels focused on relocation and local lifestyle content. Start by opening YouTube and searching for the phrase Des Moines real estate. Once the results appear, go to the search filters and set the filter to channel. This is important because it removes individual videos from the results and helps you focus only on the actual YouTube channels. After that, repeat the same process for Iowa living and then moving to Iowa. These search terms tend to surface different kinds of creators, so using all three gives you a broader and more useful list. As you review the channels that appear, begin collecting the relevant information into a spreadsheet. For each channel, save the agent's name if it's available, the channel link, the contact email if one is publicly listed, and the total video count shown on the channel. Keeping these fields consistent will make your spreadsheet much easier to sort and compare later. If you're using a spreadsheet program like Google Sheets or Excel, it helps to create clear column headers before you begin so you can move quickly from one channel to the next. While gathering the information, take a moment to double check that each result is actually relevant to your search. Some channels may mention Iowa or real estate only loosely, so it's worth confirming that the content truly fits the topic. Also, if the same channel appears under more than one search term, avoid creating duplicate entries. Instead, keep one clean row for that channel in your spreadsheet. As a final tip, work methodically. Finish one search phrase completely before moving to the next. That makes the process more organized and reduces the chance of missing channels or entering inconsistent information. By the end, you'll have a clean, structured spreadsheet of YouTube channels related to Des Moines real estate, Iowa living, and moving to Iowa, ready for outreach, research, or future analysis.